Yeah, that's what I was kind of thinking. Are we really gonna, is anything gonna happen even if you wait it out 10 feet, or is it gonna be worth it? Oh no, what do I know, but it looks like it might be some debatable fishing.
I think so too.
Fly fishing on the edge of a gigantic river like this is probably not real conducive of catching fish.
Yeah, which is odd that, you know, something's happening though, because of his patient, you know, who said,
yeah, you could go off of that, right? No kidding. What am I saying, right?
so it's like, oh.
What do I know?
But then, like, I haven't seen anything, you know.
Not one riser, not nothing, right? Joe, he's like a savant, man. That dude can cast. You see that crap? He's whipping it out. I'm like going trying as hard as I can. And it's like, you know, I'm gonna go to a field and go practice in Nevada, get to where I can really cast.
The church that we go to, you know, part of like community groups, you know, they have a fly fishing practice.
They do? Well, that's cool.
Class, course, I don't know.
See, my you never met him, I don't think, but Billy, my stepbrother.
Uh-huh.
We used to go fishing all the time, and we used to go in the backyard with a flat dead weight and get practice casting with our spin cast rods, but it would be like just a weight on the end of it.
Yeah.
And get to where we could, you know, get accurate with our casting. We'd try to improve on it. I mean, Joe was noticing though that these fish are able to, I mean, so the birds are coming down and maybe catching bugs below the water, so there's got to be something there, you know.
Must be.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you have that sunscreen?
I sure do.
I like to keep it right here.
Yeah, there you go.
You know, just because
Got it.
sure I am pale skin.
Yeah, you're as opposed to being a dirty white girl, or a dirty white boy, you're a clean white girl.
Correctamundo, Kevin. Correctamundo. There's my fish.
You can handle it, man, that cold. I got in there under a minute. I go, okay, this is
Not worth it.
Oh no, it's killing me.
And how are your feet right now, even?
On the surface water, it's not as cold.
Yeah.
The way he does it, it's almost artistic. I mean, he's really got he's so good at casting, it's weird. I mean, wouldn't it be wild if he caught some big old fish?
That'd be fun. Come on. Ow. Fuck myself. I'm not going to catch anything standing right here.
No, you can move. Do wherever you want to go.
I don't think I'm going to catch anything.
Oh, at all. I see what you're saying. Yeah. That's no difference. Wow. Holy crap, look at. believe you, dude. That's awesome. That is amazing.
So I'm letting it fight a little bit because I don't want to horse it in. So I'm not even really, I could reel. So I might like reel in some extra here. So I'm always keeping pressure on
The whole time, right?
the entire time.
He bought that bottom fly.
See, it saw you, so now it's running, which is okay. But I never let it loosen up pressure.
That is amazing. Good job, man.
Woo! Nice.
Wow. That is so cool, man. Jeez. That is so great. That is
Just hold
such a beautiful fish.
Just hold it just like that so it can breathe a little bit.
Yeah.
Maybe not.
I'll get him in the water.
It might slip out, that's what I'm wondering.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Will you hold it up for a moment?
Sure. Good job, man.
Woo! That was awesome. So they're here.
God. So you want to go ahead and let him go?
Did you already get it off the line?
Yeah. That was awesome.
Good job, man. That was really cool.
That was super cool.
Good job, man. You got it. That was just...
It makes your forearm burn.
Yeah, because you were really kind of holding up in the air. Yeah, that was...
Yeah, always tension.
God, you're just swimming along and you caught him. That's great. All right, yeah, man, that was great. I'm glad to help.
We could just move. We'll come with you and maybe we'll just go to the old steel bridge. Grab the waders and then go to the old steel bridge.
Boy, your patient called it, huh?
Yeah.
He said it's a fish full of river. A river full of fish. That was a good little fish.
That was a great fish.
Is that a rainbow?
That was a cutthroat.
Cutthroat.
That was probably like, I don't know, 13 inches?
It's good size. He had some heft to him.
took my dropper, my nymph.
I took it, or he did?
No, the fish bit my dropper. It's still connected. But I watched for this and it went underwater and I sucked it up. My strike indicator fly.
Did you see the strike go down?
Yeah, I watched it go down. Or, it's kind of weird because it kind of looked like it went for my. So this can sometimes happen too. Is it'll go for this and miss it, or it turns away at the last moment and realizes it's an artificial fly. And then when I set the hook, this catches it on accident.
Where did it hook him?
I think it's in the mouth.
Yeah.
Are your waders in your backpack? Okay, I'll be right back.
Yeah, I'm just kicking myself, huh?
Oh, it's okay. That's so close.
Hey, I can cast with yours, right?
What?
Just practice casting with yours?
Well, I got mine in a knot. So if you take this to Joe, he'll fix it for you.
You got it in a knot?
Yeah, he'll fix it.
It's a really bad knot?
Yeah,
Like you have to undo the hook?
yeah. No, I'm just gonna take care of it up there. But Joe will be able to fix it for you.
Oh, I see what you're saying. You got a knot here.
Yes. So bring it to Joe, and he will help.
Okay. All right, cool.
He'll say, "I'll."
He's so good, man. It sucks.
He's good.
It was really cool.
I watched it rise. I watched it eat something else. So that's kind of how I knew. Like, oh, I gotta get there.
Whew.
I almost want to just sit and wait for more fish to rise and then we'll just fish to them.
Sheridan was saying that you could unfix her knot she made.
Okay.
If you... I don't know. That's the coolest. That was really awesome, Joe.
That was super awesome.
We got that whole scenario on this camera.
Oh, you did?
On the GoPro, yeah.
Nice.
You gonna hold that?
I don't know if I want to fix this knot.
Yeah, she said he'll fix it, meaning not even fix the knot, just take, undo it,
Okay.
Just she said I guess it's tied all the way around, knotted to the line itself. Yeah, it's knotted to the line.
Yeah. It's just like an overhand knot that is so small because the line is so small. That's all it is.
Golly, man, you really killed that. That was amazing.
That was awesome. That was the best fish of the year so far. For sure. One of my better cutthroat trout, for sure.
That's a big cutthroat.
It was a big one, yeah. That was fun.
Yeah, I was just telling her a minute ago that just had my head on straight, thinking about we're going out to this river and we're saying we're going to go out there and wade, and didn't even think about the fact that I didn't have my stupid wader with me,
Oh, good. Oh, good, man. We're going to do the same thing that I just did. And put a Prince note from this thing. The reason why I'm not sure if it meant to eat this thing is because it was rising. It was eating something on the surface.
Yeah.
Something underwater.
I was telling Sheridan that I thought about if I was going to get a lot handier at casting, what do you call it, that I would, with a fly rod, you got to get out there and practice.
Yeah. I've definitely just practiced in my backyard.
Yeah, we don't have any backyard, but I've got gigantic fields, like like parks near me.
Oh yeah.
Just go to a park.
Go to a park. Sweet. Yeah, park would do just fine. Or the road. Like are you in like a cul-de-sac or like a neighborhood?
Yeah, we are, but I couldn't cast up there. There's kids running around. So.
Kids running around.
Yeah, so I'd have to try that.
Yeah. Something
God,
like that.
now with these, the what do you call it, bombing the river? That's because they're bombing because there's bugs, right?
Yeah, I think there's bugs right on the surface.
I mean, why would they be surfing along there unless they like to swimming next to the water? Is there bugs? I've seen stuff flying
So the
around
bugs, when they hatch, so they're nymph form, like I showed you.
Yeah.
And they crawl out of the water. They hatch into a bug.
Yeah.
And then the bugs lay their eggs on top of the water. So they're flying right on top of the water, and they like drop barely, like they touch the water with their butt, and they lay eggs.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, so that's how the bugs lay